Of local races and the one statewide race on the ballot that you see for a spot on the Supreme Court. Incumbent David Prosser taking on Joanne Kloppenburg. And in that race, a priest pedophile case from 30 years ago is playing a role in television and internet ads. But one of the victims in that case is not happy about the way it's all playing out. Fox 11's Mark Leland brings us balanced coverage.
Getting out the vote.
As Assistant Attorney General Joanne Kloppenburg takes on Justice David Prosser for a seat on the state Supreme Court, a couple other names have been thrown into the political fight.
In 1978, my brother and I were abused by someone our family trusted.
Troy Merrifield is speaking out from his home in Virginia in a support ad for Prosser. He says he is doing so only to combat a third-party ad for Kloppenburg that dragged his 33-year-old case involving convicted pedophile priest John Feeney into the race.
The whole thing is it's dirty politics.
Merrifield says he would not have agreed to appear in this ad, which debuted Friday, had Kloppenburg asked the original ad to be removed from the airwaves.
No, if all she would have done is said, please take it down. It's hurtful. You know, at the very least, it's hurtful to the person that you're talking about.
But Kloppenburg says she's opposed to third-party attack ads, and she says it's not her place to ask for their removal.
These are third-party ads. They have a First Amendment right to run these issue ads. I have no authority over them. I can't coordinate with them. I cannot communicate with them. And that's not my message.
When asked about the Merrifield case, Prosser defends his actions as DA at the time.
In retrospect, it looks a little bit different. But at the time, I thought I was making the right decision. And at the time, I thought the family understood what I decided.
Feeney was later prosecuted in 2004, Merrifield says, with the help of Prosser. However, Merrifield was not happy with the way Prosser originally handled the case, but he says that was then, and it's his record as a judge the past 12 years that should be scrutinized in this race.
And you got two choices. You have Joanne Kloppenburg and you have Dave Prosser. Even though I believe that some things were done incorrectly, to the point where it makes me angry yet today, I would still have to say that I would vote for him.
What do you make of his support for Prosser?
I believe that these ads are trying to distract from the message of the candidates.
Merrifield says while the election will be over tomorrow, for him and his brother Todd, the painful reminders of the past will live on. In Green Bay, Mark Leland, Fox 11 News.
You can learn more about the candidates and their events on our website, fox11online.com. Just click on the On Politics section on our homepage.